What if I told you there's a fruit packed with antioxidants, vitamin A, and fiber, that it tastes like a mix between a peach, citrus, and mango, that people pay premium prices for it in specialty markets, and it might literally be growing in someone's front yard down your street? It's not acai, it's not goji berries, it's not dragon fruit. It's called a loquat, and most people walk right past it without even knowing it's edible. Aloha everybody, welcome back to Eat and Be Eaten. Today we're talking about one of the most overlooked fruits in suburban neighborhoods and here in Hawaii. Grows along the edges of forests, in orchards, macnut fields, guinea grass lots. This is the Areobetra japonica, and it's commonly known as the loquat. So if you live in warm climates like California, Texas, Florida, parts of the Southeast, or like I said, here in Hawaii, there's a good chance you've seen this tree before. Glossy, dark green leaves, small, round, orangey, yellow fruits, usually planted as an ornamental tree. But the crazy part is, it's not just decorative, it's a legit superfruit. So, what is a loquat? A small orange fruit about the size of a plum or apricot. Inside it has juicy flesh and a few large brown seeds. The flavor is sweet with a bright citrus tang. Think peach meets apricot with a hint of lemon. Originally, they're native to China and have been cultivated in Asia for over 1,000 years. From there, they spread to Japan, the Mediterranean, and eventually the United States. In fact, loquats thrive in places like Southern California and the Gulf Coast. They're drought tolerant, low maintenance, and surprisingly resilient. But here's why you probably don't recognize them. Most people grow them as landscaping trees, not as fruit crops. So the fruit just falls on the ground uneaten. Let's talk about the nutrition. Loquats are loaded with vitamin A, which is great for eye health, vitamin C, which is amazing for everything, especially the immune system, potassium, which is good for heart health, dietary fiber, which of course helps your digestion, and powerful antioxidants. They also contain plant compounds like carotenoids and flavonoids that help reduce inflammation. In traditional Chinese medicine, loquat leaves and fruit have been used for centuries, especially in syrups for cough relief. In fact, loquat syrup is still widely used today in Asia. This isn't some trendy health fad fruit, it's ancient, proven, and incredibly accessible. So if loquats are so amazing, why aren't they everywhere? There's two main reasons. Number one, they bruise easily, and number two, they don't have a long shelf life. That's why you won't see them often in grocery stores. Like many soft fruits, they don't ship well. Once they're ripe, they need to be eaten quickly. That makes them bad for mass commercial distribution, but perfect for local picking. Ironically, that's why they're still hiding in plain sight. They're hyper-local superfruit. Here's how to know if you spot a loquat tree. They got large, leathery, dark green leaves, fuzzy undersides on the leaves, clusters of small, white, fragrant flowers in fall or winter, and an orange-yellow fruit in spring. That's another cool thing. Loquats ripen in spring, not summer like most fruits. That's another cool thing. Loquats ripen in spring, not summer like most fruits. So when grocery store fruit variety is low, loquats are quietly producing. And when they're ripe, they turn deep yellow-orange and feel slightly soft, similar to an apricot. Eating a loquat is simple. Peel the skin. It's optional, but it is edible but slightly tart. I usually just eat it with the skin though. Pop out the seeds, enjoy the juicy flesh. And then you can also use them to make loquat jam, add them to fruit salads, blend into smoothies, bake into pies, or make loquat chutney. Some people even ferment them into a wine. If you've never tried one fresh off the tree, it's completely different from anything store-bought. So here's the big takeaway. Sometimes the healthiest foods aren't imported from across the world. They're growing quietly in neighborhoods, ignored because they're just landscaping. The loquat is a reminder that superfoods don't have to be exotic. They just have to be noticed. So next time you see a tree with little orange fruits hanging in clusters, take a closer look. You might have a superfruit growing in your own backyard. Hey guys, if you enjoyed this video, hit the like, subscribe, and let me know if you ever tried a loquat. And if not, maybe it's time to go fruit hunting. We'll see you next time on Eat and Be Eaten. Aloha.